guys. You lot, can you stop doing that? Why are you both doing this? Why? Oh no, darling, give me food. So Jalek and Fairy Cherry is here to eat. Fairy Cherry loves, he always comes, like he's always like coming in. Oh, I think that's Marwan. So Marwan is locked in the living room. And yeah, I'm just going to do some garden work. And it's kind of sunny outside. Oh, by the way, say hi to Fairy Cherry. Say hi, Fairy Cherry. Oh my god, you got black nose. What's happening? Okay, Jalek is just really badly hissing. And Timber over there, she's breaking the door to come up. Like these lot. Fairy Cherry is a Maine Coon cat. I think. There's another Maine Coon cat that looks proper like a Maine Coon. But this one I'm not too sure, but it's here, it does seem like a Maine Coon. Are you a Maine Coon? My main Bobo. Jalek, I'll be too, don't be sad. Yes, you don't let me pet you, do you? I'm just painting this, the side of the door, the side wall, I don't know what you guys call it. And literally he's just having this. Oh, he's awake now. This little guy needs a bath. I feel like giving him a really nice bath so that he can relax and like his fur and everything will be like shiny. But I can't because he's not my cat and I don't even know his like health wise. I don't know whether he's okay to have a bath. Not all cats are okay having a bath and this and that. Or there are dietary things, so I really can't give him a bath like that. And plus I'm not his owner. So yeah, have some paint left, so I thought why not just paint the borderline of this. It's kind of a windy day today. I did clean my garden yesterday, like half of the work is done. And then the other half I'm not going to do it, so I'll do it some other time. Oh, this boy is so cute. Let me show you guys. You're so cute. Fairy Cherry, you're hiding away. My baby. Right. So I thought I painted this part, this little area, and then this. I still have to do the top. I can't really see it. I've got to do the top. Yeah. What else is happening? Life is still the same. Oh my god! I just realised I didn't do this part. Why didn't I do paint this part? I might also paint this part because I never thought if I could do it. Bottom. Oh god. So just finish this and the top where it's all completed and you can see it now. Let's check this. Still Fairy Cherry. This is not Timber. Fairy Cherry. This cat. I did some online shopping and my order has arrived today. Should can share it with you guys what I got. So that's what I got. Beauty Plain Gloss lipstick in the shade pink. I also got Roma Morpho's L'Oreal Paris. It's the eyeshadow. It's a shimmer eyeshadow. I really wanted to try this. Oh, it's very pigmented. It's the shade. It's in the shade dark social. But yeah, see, it's actually the colour of my top. That's really cool. I didn't know this would be a shimmer eyeshadow, but actually shimmer eyeshadow is like it's a cream based eyeshadow. Eye shimmer. I also bought something for one of my friends' birthday. So literally it's a halal perfume for Ether or Athar or whatever you guys call it, and it's got a deodorant inside as well. It comes in a package, so yeah, it smells really good like that. Got some birthday gift for my dad as well. So this is birthday tomorrow, 10th of June. And you know what, so many people's birthday man last month and this month. I just saw like I bought so many birthday gifts and was giving everyone. I mean, because obviously it's nice. I like it to make someone happy because a lot of people do make me happy on my birthday and things like that. Everyone, so today is summer. It's a beautiful day. I don't even know what I was gonna say. Just look at the greenery. The sun is out. Also, there will be an event in Stepney Green Park. I was gonna say the name of the park, but it's okay. So this event has been sponsored by Queen Mary University, my university. Or I didn't really study here, but I did a course which is over here. Not really, yeah, I just studied it. My class, where I did my course was like campus in Milan Hospital. That's literally, oh, my certificate did say that Queen Mary, so thoroughly is Queen Mary. So, I don't know what I'm talking about anyway. Like, 1 second. So that's the event going on, like I said. The prep is, well, the event's gonna be tomorrow, not today. So they're doing the prep and sorry, still like when I get look at the cars and everything. I will be attending the event hopefully. I don't know, I might. So if I do, I might vlog it, like separate vlog. I might add it to a separate vlog. This one's just gonna be added to my old view of clips because I've got small clips, short clips here from different, I don't know, so I have to edit all that in one video. Lately I have been a bit inactive when it comes to vlogging, but it's okay, my hands are yeah guys, if you're not following me on TikTok, if you do have a TikTok account, then follow me. It's Cherina92. Look at it, it's cool. This is not going to be a fun fit. I literally got scared of this, I don't know what it's called. It just reminded me of Wrong Turn. The goblins coming to eat me. Well, goblins don't eat, they're coming to attack you. Literally, look at the kite, it's so beautiful. Is that a moon? Yeah, that's a moon. Look at the kite, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god, guys. Okay, my camera quality is so shit, but take a moment and appreciate the fact that someone's coming hike so beautifully. Okay, this is the event I was telling you guys about. It's been sponsored by Queen Mary University there, the proof. So if you guys live local to Stepney Green Park to attend, or actually, there's no point, don't attend because I might not post this video before the event. So there's no point in literally. I don't like it when I get like random. Just look at the inside. What are they trying to do? I heard that the weather is like 59 something, but I'm just not feeling it. Like I can't feel the hot, the warm. Lie. For me, it's not hot at all. Looks like from this angle. This park is huge, by the way. Guys, more of the kite. The kite fan. Oh my god, looks cool. Can you see it? Huh? Can you see it? Don't read. I usually take Jonathan from him. Wait, the other day I came with Granny. I was looking for him so much. I couldn't find him. Look. He's I don't like recording people. I mean, it's embarrassing. I don't know. I think this is the event probably. Oh no, it's just the park side. Are you sure? Beautiful greenery. Oops. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? I just love greeneries. I love park. I love life, nature. The key in the car. Look at these. How beautiful these are. Flowers. The purple one is so beautiful. And so is lavender and the other one. I don't know what this place is. Right behind the park. So this place is in between the park, Stepney Park, and the Stepney Farm. This location, this was an old road, but apparently they had a lot of stories like which was like doing around that time. I'm talking about like 10 years ago, probably. So apparently this road was haunted. So I don't know, they closed it and then they did a bit of like a reconstruction. So they rebuilt this road, and obviously this part wasn't included back then. But now they have included this part, so now it's a bit wider road. I think this side is for cyclists, and that probably for cars on bikes, and I don't know. And it looks really, really cool. Oh yeah, see? I don't know what they're making there. It looks beautiful though, whatever it is. This work has been going for like so many years now, I'm not gonna lie. I know All Saints School. Well, Stepney All Saints School. This school used to be called Sir John Cass. Yeah, Sir John Cass. Yeah, no, Sir John Cass. I can't say it. Oh my god, the farm. No, why? Yeah, it's so bad. Shut up. Yeah, so can you guys hear the breeze? Ain't it beautiful? And look, there's a plane flying up on the sky. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This place gives me a vibe of Teletubbies Park. If you guys know, okay, if you guys are from East London or from the Death area, you guys might know what I'm talking about. Teletubby Park is a park, literally, cannot give you the exact location, but it's somewhere in between Roadswell Road. So basically the road that can take you to Ben Jonson Road. But before that, there's a four-way traffic in end of St. Paul's Way. And then the park is in the corner of the dirt road of the traffic. Literally looks like this. This gives me a vibe of that because I used to grow up in that area, and I used to go literally I grew up in Teletubby Park. I don't know why it's called Teletubby. Apparently someone told me years back that it's not Teletubby Park, it's Stepney Park. I'm like, what the hell? This isn't even anywhere in Stepney, so why would they call it Stepney Park? Stepney Park is this one. Some people, I swear, know nothing but will just give information, false information. Well, that's the school. They changed the school to Stepney All Saints School that I was telling you about. So this was an old road, but they made it into a new one. More work, guys. Now you can see a bit of me. Just kidding. So I might take you guys around the farm. We're not gonna go in because it's not open, and B, A, it's not open, B, no, I don't want to go in. Oh my god. Anyway, beautiful places, people coming, so I'll film in a bit. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It has a aroma. Smells nice. Oh, I don't know where the birds are. The birds are singing, literally. Not more fish. No, we don't call it whistling anymore. There is a thing called birds whistling, but apparently it's not whistle, it's singing. Humming there, but they're not hummingbirds. Oh my god, guys, can you see it? No, noise reduction. Literally, the camera won't capture anything or anyone outside the lens talk. They won't capture it. So literally, I've got it on here now. I would literally talk and the camera will hear it. Okay, this is the farm, and I am now. Okay, guys, I'll show you a beautiful place. I don't believe in the fact that as a Muslim you can't go in a church because it's a worship place. Allah didn't tell us to disrespect other religion or their worship, whatever. So yeah, it's okay to go in church actually. Huh? Like I went to a Catholic, no, I went to a Christian primary school, and end of term, like before 6-week holiday, they used to take us a week to break up in a church. They take in a church before they used to end the term, and obviously they used to worship, pray and stuff like that. So as a student you gotta be there. So back in the day there wasn't even that thingy, but yeah, so I remember, yeah, I used to play with them as well. I mean, we had no choice, and yeah, and it's okay. I mean, end of the day it's one God, what we call Allah, and they probably say call it God. So yeah, so it's just that a bit clear. But also, yeah, guys, so the church is so beautiful there for flowers. So I'm heading over to Ben Jonson Road. Sasha's looking. Oh no, Sasha's here to pick his daughter up if he was going in. This is the 6th floor. My sister was supposed to go to this one. Well, she'd apply for it. I don't know what she's gonna get a fee or not, but I'm not too sure about it. Let's see. Where they do a lot of like events and stuff. I don't know what else they do. But one thing I know for sure, they have like karate classes in here and boxing. Oh yeah, they do boxing as well. Oh, if you have like little kid under the age 15, I guess, you guys have a lot of like activities that you could take. Like you can tell them or encourage them to take part because it's really worth it. Trust me, guys. My old brother, he takes karate lessons, so he does karate classes, and you know, the beginning, we always wanted him to learn like karate or judo or whatever he's interested in, and then because we've seen him used to like enjoy himself like flying, like kick flying and stuff, like, you know, at home, you know how kids, they be so naughty and they just, so we always thought that instead of doing that at home, why can't you just use it and practice it as in the real, like really real life, and just like, so we always like, encouraged him. So here, and he doesn't enjoy it anymore because he has put on weight and he's finding it a bit difficult, and he's growing as well. Okay guys, another thing I want to talk about. Lately I heard all schools in this area, I don't know, I'm not going to say all schools for sure, but a lot of schools have been merged with Marbury School. So Marbury School is everyone knows it's a girls' school. It's been there for so many years now, a decade. But lately, apparently, a lot of schools are merging with Marbury School. I don't know why. I'm not really liking it, so I did put my input in it as well, because you know, my sister and my brother, they attend a school which is merging with Marble School. So they asked, as the parents and guardians, like what we have to say, or we can share what we feel about it. So I did put my input in it. So, but I'm sure it's still merging because like if one person says that and I don't want you guys to merge or whatever, it ain't gonna work. Because end of the day, if they make their mind up, so yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah. So can you see how fast? Guys, notice how fast I talk. Literally. I wear heels, so yeah, always my flat. Oh, so here's it. Okay, there's a new Sunnah mask. If you love halal perfume, which you can like play with and stuff. This is a new Sunnah mask place where you can go and purchase it. They have a really, really good fragrance, like it's really so good. My hands are